Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volkswagen Jetta SportWagen TDI. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen is a great value with less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.